In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload coupons in Klaviyo. To begin, make sure you are logged into your Klaviyo account and you are looking at the main dashboard. We will be working from the left sidebar navigation, since that is where Klaviyo groups the tools you need for things like templates, forms, and coupons. First, go to Content and then select Coupons. You will find this option in the left sidebar. When you click into Coupons, Klaviyo will take you to the area where coupon sets are managed. This is the place where you create and store the coupon codes you want to use in campaigns or flows, such as welcome offers, VIP discounts, or limited time promotions. Next, look to the top right of the page and click Create Coupon. This starts the setup for a new coupon set. Think of this as creating a container that will hold the coupon codes and the rules around them, like how many codes you need and when they expire. Now, enter a coupon name. This name should be clear and easy to recognize later when you are selecting it inside an email or automation. A short, descriptive name works best, especially if you manage multiple offers at once. It also helps to keep your naming consistent, so you can find the right coupon quickly when you are building marketing messages. After that, set the minimum coupon count. This is important because Klaviyo needs to have enough coupon codes available to send to the number of people who will receive them. If you plan to use the coupon in a high-traffic flow or a large campaign, make sure the minimum count is set to a number that supports that volume. Planning ahead here helps avoid running out of codes at the wrong time. Finally, set the expiration. You can choose an expiration timeline, such as after 1 year, or you can set it to expire on a specific date. Use a specific date when you are running a seasonal or limited time promotion. Use a longer window like 1 year when the coupon is meant for ongoing use, such as a standard welcome discount. Once these details are filled in, you have the core setup completed, and your coupon is ready to be used where you need it inside Klaviyo. And that covers everything you need to know.